The ultimate guide to using Google Workspace. Hello, guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to streamline your workflow, collaborate seamlessly, and boost productivity, Google Workspace is the perfect solution. Today, we'll break down the essential features and tools to help you get the most out of it. Let's dive in. Gmail for business communication. Gmail isn't just for emails. It offers smart filtering, advanced security, and seamless integration with other workspace apps. Use labels and filters to organize messages and take advantage of AI-powered suggestions to speed up your replies. Google Drive for cloud storage. Google Drive lets you store, share, and access your files from anywhere. You can collaborate in real time, control permissions for different users, and even recover previous versions of files with ease. Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides for collaboration. These tools make teamwork simple. Google Docs allows for real-time editing, comments, and version history tracking. Sheets offer powerful data analysis and automation, while Slides lets you create dynamic presentations with ease. Google Meet for virtual meetings. Need to connect remotely? Google Meet provides high-quality video conferencing with screen sharing, live captions, and meeting recordings, making remote collaboration smooth and efficient. Google Calendar for scheduling. Stay organized with Google Calendar. Schedule meetings, set reminders, and integrate with other apps like Gmail and Meet for seamless planning. Google Forms for surveys and feedback. Whether collecting customer feedback or conducting team surveys, Google Forms makes it easy to create, share, and analyze responses with automatic integration into Google Sheets. Google Keep for quick notes and task management. Jot down ideas, create checklists, and set reminders with Google Keep. You can sync notes across devices and even collaborate with others in real time. With Google Workspace, managing your business and staying productive has never been easier. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.